This course in general is quite a broad insight into criminal investigation and policing as a term, not just the police. We do have a number of graduates that go into the police, so there's still a natural element to that, but in essence it's all aspects of investigation, so it's quite a diverse area. The course itself is really unique compared to other institutions. One of our unique selling points is the staff and the team that we have teaching the students. The majority of our staff are ex-practitioners like myself. We've had careers in the police and law enforcement agencies, but within that realm there are quite a diverse mix amongst that. So we have people that are specialists in interviewing, we have senior managers, we have those that have worked within counter-terrorism unit or perhaps been senior investigators on major crime inquiries. But coupled with that, we also have 2 professors in policing on the staff and people that have studied to doctorate level in various different aspects of academia relating to police. So those from sort of offending behaviour to sort of sexual offences to partnership working, and with that brings a real diverse background and enhances the student experience because they're getting different aspects, not just necessarily how investigations work and what they do, but also the evidence base that leads to that. The students have the opportunity to go and study abroad as part of their course. So whether that be as part of their second year to one of our partner institutions in Europe, or they can also do a sandwich placement between their second and third year to countries even further afield, such as the US, Canada, Australia. Incorporated in that, we also encourage them to take on internships with agencies such as the National Crime Agency, for example, the Border Agency. We also support students in becoming specials if they want to pursue a career in the police. So we would give them that employability as well as coming out with a really good quality bachelor's degree at the end.
First of all, in relation to the first years, the introduction to policing as part of the wider PCI degree gives an opportunity for students to look at employment opportunities not just within policing, but in a wider context in things like National Crime Agency, Borders Agency, immigration, as well as the private sector. So that's considering the first years, what I've just mentioned there, but specifically in relation to the third years who are studying the counter-terrorism module. A lot of those students at the moment are considering careers within counter-terrorism, either as police officers, but also in a wider context in relation to the various intelligence agencies that there are in the UK.
The facilities and the teaching on campus are really good, and some of my favourite ones are, for example, the Hydra Suite, the labs. The Hydra Suite's amazing because it gives you some scenario-based experience which you wouldn't get anywhere else. And the labs themselves, there's so much you learn there that you wouldn't think of. I personally want to join the Lancashire Police, and the connections between the UCLan and the Lancashire Police is so amazing. Plus they've got so many, like I said, the Hydra Suite, they've got a lot of good info, and all of the actual lecturers, because of the amount of experience that they've all built up in total, there's so much knowledge there that it's unbelievable.